Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach HTML series for links part 2. For today's lesson, we'll be looking at how to use images as links and how to link our contacts, specifically our email, and how to trigger the user's email program with our link, and then using whatever HTML elements that we want as links. So you have a button, you have a text, you have a paragraph, audio file, all of that stuff, but not specifically the audio. The audio will be for future lessons because we haven't learned that part yet. Okay, first off, image as a link. So how do you make an image as a link? Very simple. You basically nestle the img tag inside of the a tag. So with this a tag, you have your typical href attribute, and then for the image, you have the source or src to specify what image you want, right? And then you have the alt. If you still remember, alt or alternative is the text that shows up that describes the image if for some reason the image doesn't load. And the style is reserved for inline CSS. All right. Now, next part, linking to an email. The keyword here is mail to. We put this inside of the href attribute so we can trigger the user's email program or whatever they have in their computer. So as you can see here, we have mail to, and then someone, this is just an example, okay? Someone at gmail.com, and then you have the text that says send email. That's it. That's it for that part. And next is, so with this we'll be exploring a little bit of JavaScript. We have HTML button as a link, and some JavaScript is necessary. So we have button and we have onClick. This is the JavaScript part. But onClick is very simple to understand. It just literally what it means. OnClick is when you click on it. And it has document, and then the location of the document, and then you have the link, okay? You close it off and you have some sort of text, or you can make this button an image if you fancy, and then you close the button tag as you would do with most, if not all, non-empty tags, okay? I think we've explored this in past lessons before with the title attribute. The title attribute is sort of like a tooltip that shows up next to an element whenever you hover your mouse over that element. So this makes things a little bit easier. What if the user doesn't want to click on the link, but they're still curious on what the link leads to? So they could do a little hover, and there would be a description to tell them, and then they can decide whether or not they want to click after that. Okay, so it just shows like extra info as a tooltip on mouse hover, and that's it. Okay, now let's move on to a little bit of demonstration. Let's delete this. Links demonstration. Okay, H2. I'm gonna go to my folder and see if I have an image in here. I have images and Tinateach logo.png. All right. Let's make a tag first. href. Paste the link here, and then I'll have our image tag. Source, images, Tinateach logo, if I remember correctly, .png. Let's have an alt tag, alt attribute, sorry. Tinateach logo, style, background color is alt Z to wrap the text. Background color would be blue. Okay, and then let's close the a tag. Contrast to save. Now let's make a new link. href mail to. All right. IELTS Tinateach.ielts@gmail.com. and email me. Okay, let's add a bit of style. Let's see, let's have the opacity at 0.9 and the color to be red. Okay, now let's have a little button on click equals document.location. I'm gonna copy the same link here. Copy equals single quotes. Finish copying the link and oops. And then make sure that it's single quote close with a double quote. And then let's name this click me. Click me, close the button. Our code or HTML file cannot locate the images. Okay, so I think the issue is the slash. I'm gonna do a backward slash, Ctrl S to save. And there you go. Oh, this is a bit too big, okay? Let me change the size with style. Let's do width is 20 pixels and height is also 20 pixels. Okay. Contrast. There we go, that's better. That's way too small though. Let's make it a bit bigger. 120, 120. Contrast to save. There we go. So if we click on the image, we go to my YouTube channel. Okay. Let's go back and let's try email me. Okay, so the thing with email me, it doesn't work on my end is because I don't have any email like program or software installed. I just do everything on browser. Okay, and let's go with click me, the button. Then it goes to my YouTube channel once again. Okay, all good. Thank you for being with me here today and finishing the lesson with me. I hope that you tune in to next lesson as well, because our next lesson is going to be learning how to style different types of links. Okay, so we're going to be learning a little bit of bedazzling. Remember, learn today, better tomorrow, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.